Walk into any luxury home and you will notice something unusual right away. It does not feel full. It feels calm. It feels intentional. It feels like every single object was placed on purpose and everything else was removed. That is the secret nobody talks about. Expensive-looking homes are not built by buying more things. They are built by removing the wrong ones. Welcome back to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Marcus here, and today's list might actually surprise you because several of these things are sitting in your home right now. We're counting down from number 25 all the way to number 1, and the closer we get to the top, the more powerful these removals become. Before we get started, if this kind of content helps you, smash that like button. Share this with a friend who loves a clean and beautiful home, and make sure you are subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so you never miss a tip. Let's get into it. Thing number 25, worn-out doormats. The entrance to your home sets the tone before anyone steps inside. A dirty, flattened, or faded doormat tells guests the home is tired before they even open the door. Remove it. Replace it with something simple, natural fiber, and clean. A fresh coir or jute mat instantly signals that this home is cared for. Thing number 24, mismatched hangers in closets. Open closets are common, and when guests see a mixture of plastic, wire, and wooden hangers all jumbled together, it reads as disorganized. Swap everything for matching slim velvet hangers. The closet looks curated, calm, and professional. It costs very little but makes an enormous difference. Thing number 23, fridge magnets and door clutter. Refrigerators covered in magnets, photos, old lists, and takeout menus instantly lower the visual tone of a kitchen. Professional kitchen designers keep the refrigerator surface completely clear. Remove everything from the fridge door. Store the important notes somewhere else. The kitchen feels twice as expensive immediately. Thing number 22, expired products on countertops. Check your kitchen and bathroom countertops right now. Expired supplements, old lotions, nearly empty bottles sitting around, these create visual chaos and suggest neglect. Clear them away entirely. Only keep what is currently being used, and even then, store it when not in active use. Thing number 21, decorative items that collect dust. Tiny figurines, souvenir shells, small trinkets picked up over the years. These seem harmless, but they silently steal the elegance from any shelf or surface. Interior stylists follow one key rule: fewer objects, stronger presence. In fact, most professional home stagers remove more than half the decorative items on a shelf before photographing a space. The result looks immediately calmer, cleaner, and more expensive. If you enjoy this, hit subscribe and join the Seniors Cleaning Hacks family. New tips every week.
Thing number 20, visible plastic storage bins. Plastic containers serve a great purpose, but when they are visible in living areas, they work against the look of the room. The fix is simple. Switch to woven baskets, linen storage boxes, or wooden crates. Same function, completely different atmosphere. The warmth these natural materials bring is immediate and dramatic. Thing number 19, overcrowded open shelves. Open shelving became very popular, and it can look stunning, but only when it is not crammed full. When every inch of a shelf is packed, the eye cannot settle anywhere. Luxury interiors depend heavily on negative space. That empty space is not wasted. It is what allows the objects that remain to breathe and stand out. Remove at least half of what is on your open shelves and see what happens. The transformation will shock you. Thing number 18, too many competing colors. When a room contains too many colors without any structure, it feels restless and overwhelming. High-end interiors almost always follow a very controlled palette: one dominant color, one supporting tone, and one accent. That's it. Walk through your home and count how many different colors are competing in each room. If the number is more than 3, it is time to simplify. Thing number 17, visible cables and cords. TV cables, phone chargers, extension cords draped across floors and walls. Once you notice them, they're impossible to ignore. Professional designers treat visible cables as a design emergency. Simple cable management boxes, cord clips, and routing channels solve this completely. Once the cables disappear, the room feels dramatically cleaner. This one small step does more for a room's appearance than most furniture upgrades. Thing number 16, short curtains. Curtains that stop just below the window or at the mid-wall point make a room feel short and unfinished. Interior designers almost universally install curtains higher than the window frame, close to the ceiling, and long enough to just graze the floor. This single adjustment draws the eye upward, makes ceilings feel taller, and gives any room a sense of grandeur. It costs nothing to rehang the curtain rod. The visual reward is enormous. Share this video with someone whose home could use this tip right now. Thing number 15, flat, deflated throw pillows. Walk over to your sofa. Press down on the throw pillows. Do they spring back, or do they just stay flat? Pillows lose their stuffing and structure over time, and when they look deflated, the entire sofa appears older and more tired than it actually is. Interior stylists replace pillow inserts regularly. A fresh, firm insert costs very little and completely refreshes the appearance of a sofa. Do not just buy new pillow covers, replace the inserts too. Thing number 14, a cluttered coffee table. The coffee table is one of the most looked at surfaces in any living room. Remote controls, magazines, half-empty cups, phone chargers, all of it creates visual noise. Designers follow a simple rule for coffee tables: 3 elements only. A book or two, a natural element such as a small plant or a stone object, and 1 decorative piece. Group them intentionally, leave open space around them, and the table transforms into something that looks designed rather than neglected. Thing number 13, cheap or fake-looking artificial plants. Not all artificial plants are a problem. The issue is cheap, obviously fake ones, stiff leaves with a plastic sheen, unnatural proportions, colors that look nothing like real foliage. These instantly date a space. If a plant does not look real, remove it. Either invest in a high-quality artificial plant that can pass a close look, or replace it with a real low-maintenance plant like a pothos or a snake plant. Real greenery adds life that no plastic plant ever can. Thing number 12, generic or dated wall art. Mass-produced prints, posters from decades ago, or art that no longer reflects the feel of the room. These quietly make a space feel dated. Wall art defines the personality of a home. Modern interiors favor fewer, larger pieces over many small ones. A single oversized artwork can anchor an entire wall. If budget is a concern, even a large canvas painted a solid neutral color can work as a sophisticated backdrop. Remove what no longer belongs and give the wall room to breathe. Thing number 11, too many family photos scattered everywhere. Photos make a home feel personal and warm, and that matters. But when they appear on every shelf, every table, every windowsill, and every wall, they create visual overload. The solution is not to remove the memories. The solution is to create one dedicated, thoughtfully arranged gallery wall and consolidate everything there. This keeps the emotional value while eliminating the scattered, busy feeling that too many display points create.
Thing number 10, mismatched or worn bathroom towels. Luxury bathrooms feel cohesive. Coordinated towels in clean, soft tones, matching textures, nothing fraying at the edges. When towels are mismatched, worn thin or faded, they pull down the entire bathroom, no matter how nice the fixtures are. This is one of the easiest and most affordable upgrades in any home. Replace worn towels with a matching set in white, ivory, or a single soft neutral. The bathroom feels like a spa almost instantly. Like this video if you found that tip useful. It truly helps the channel grow. Thing number 9. Oversized furniture for the room. Proportion is one of the most important principles in interior design, and it is one of the most ignored in real homes. A sofa that is too large for the room makes everything feel cramped. A dining table that fills the space wall to wall leaves no room for the room itself to breathe. Even a very expensive piece of furniture will look wrong if the scale is off. Sometimes, removing one oversized item or replacing it with a smaller, better proportioned alternative transforms the entire layout and feel of a space. Thing number 8. Too many small rugs. Multiple small rugs chopped across a room make the floor feel fragmented, like the room cannot decide what it wants to be. Interior designers consistently prefer fewer, larger rugs. One well-sized rug under the main seating area in a living room ties the furniture together, creates visual flow, and makes the room feel intentional. A rug that is too small for the furniture grouping is worse than no rug at all. Go bigger, use fewer. Thing number 7. Heavy, light-blocking window treatments. Natural light is one of the most powerful tools in interior design. Rooms that are flooded with daylight feel larger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Dark, heavy drapes block this completely, and in doing so, they make even a beautiful room feel heavy and closed in. Remove dense curtain linings or replace heavy fabric with lighter linen or sheer panels. Let the light come in. The room will feel twice the size at no extra cost. Thing number 6. Branded cleaning product bottles on display. Bright orange soap bottles, multicolored spray cleaners lined up on the kitchen counter, dishwashing liquids in neon packaging sitting by the sink. These products are designed to grab attention in a supermarket, not to look beautiful in a home. Professional designers transfer everyday products into simple ceramic or frosted glass dispensers. It takes 5 minutes and costs very little. The visual calm it creates in a kitchen or bathroom is remarkable. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks if you want more of these smart, simple upgrades every week. Thing number 5. All trend, no timeless furniture and decor trends. Trends are exciting when they arrive and painful when they pass. When an entire room is decorated around whatever was popular that season, it has a short shelf life. Within a year or two, the space looks dated. Professional designers build rooms around timeless, quality foundations, neutral furniture with clean lines, quality fabrics, classic proportions, and then layer in just a few current accents that can easily be swapped out. Remove the pieces that are purely trend-driven and replace them with things that will still look elegant 5 years from now. Thing number 4. Basic, uninspiring light fixtures. Designers call lighting the greenery of a room, and this is exactly right. A plain plastic ceiling fixture or a basic overhead light makes even a well-furnished room feel ordinary. Lighting affects how every color, texture, and surface in the room appears. Changing one overhead fixture to a statement pendant, a sculptural ceiling light, or even a warm-toned chandelier can transform the atmosphere of an entire room. This is one of the highest impact, moderate cost changes any homeowner can make. Thing number 3, a chaotic entryway. The entryway is the first thing anyone sees when they enter your home, including you, every single day. Shoes piled by the door, bags dropped on the floor, coats on every hook plus the chair, the railing, and the floor, random objects that never found a proper home. A cluttered entrance sets a tone of disorder that follows a visitor through the entire house. A clean, calm entryway, even a small one, signals that this home is organized and intentional. Remove the overflow. Keep only what belongs. Thing number 2. Furniture pushed directly against every wall. This is one of the most common layout mistakes in home design, and many people do it thinking it makes the room feel bigger.
It actually does the opposite. When all the furniture is pressed against the walls, the center of the room feels empty and disconnected. The furniture pieces look like they are waiting for something, rather than arranged with purpose. Pull the seating slightly away from the walls. Allow a few inches of breathing room behind sofas. Create conversation zones. The room will feel warmer, more intimate, and far more designed. Thing number 1. Objects that have no function and no beauty. This is the most important principle of them all, and it applies to every room, every surface, and every corner of your home. Every object in a truly elegant home either serves a function or adds beauty, ideally both. If something does neither, it has no reason to be there. This is not about being cold or sterile. It is about being intentional. Elegance is not the result of buying the right things. It is the result of removing everything that does not belong. When every object in a space has earned its place, the whole home begins to feel calmer, cleaner, and more refined, not because you spent more money, but because you made better choices. Marcus here, wrapping up. So, how many of these 25 things are still in your home right now? Drop your number in the comments below. Be honest, no judgment here. And if this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with someone who loves a beautiful, clean home, and make sure you are subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Every single week, we bring you smart, practical ways to make your home feel more elegant, more comfortable, and more intentional without spending a fortune. See you in the next one.